Have you ever woken up and wished you could hit rewind mentally? Rehearse how your day should go before it actually unfolds. Yes, before it actually unfolds. Imagine seeing your ideal day in your mind's eye so you don't just survive it, you design it. Welcome to this day 47 of the 88-day Mind Bloom Micro Habit, a sacred space where we not only build habits but craft mental architectures. Today, we lean into the power of visualizing your most productive day. Yes, your most productive day. Well, neuroscience says that, and even a lot of researchers labs tells us something very remarkable, that your visual imagery, what you imagine, and your attention, what you focus on, are two separate processes in your brain. Yes, they are the two separate processes in your brain. When you mentally rehearse your task, seek them vividly, your neural circuits fire almost as if you are doing the work. You are laying down a mental roadmap. That means the real day arrives and your brain is halfway there. You have already rehearsed, prioritized, and aligned your attention. Think of your mind like a movie studio the night before you direct the scenes. Yes, the night before you direct the scenes, you imagine walking into a meeting, closing deals, writing with clarity. Your mental stage lights up. Then, the next morning, you walk into a set already lit. You don't have to build it from scratch. Yes, you don't have to build it from scratch. That's how power of visualization. You give a head start. Today I want you to pause and reflect for a second. Ask yourself, if I go through tomorrow in my mind tonight, what would I see? What would I see? What are the three key moments I want to play on that mental stage? And how do I want to show up in them? Well, with this, I give you this practice. Here's a simple exercise for you tonight. Close your eyes and imagine the first 90 minutes of your day as if it's a movie. Visualize waking up, having your morning ritual, sitting at your desk, meeting room, feel the textures, hear the sounds, sense your confidence. Repeat this visualization for 2 minutes before you sleep. Yes, if this resonates, if you feel the power of designing your day with your mind, I invite you to join my NLP Foundation program that is split into 4 transformational weekends. We'll go deeper into mental imagery, decision architecture, and personal mastery. This is your chance to build a foundation that lasts, as the studies and researchers suggest. What you vividly imagine, we in NLP say, what you imagine becomes your blueprint. Visualize with clarity, act with conviction, and if this has changed your perception of visualization today, come and join the world of global world of NLP. I invite you wholeheartedly to my 4 days NLP Foundation program. Each moment would be a transforming moment for you. And I also request you that keep this learning being as sharing, window of sharing. As I always say, learning is a collective journey and transformation too. Visualize your next moves and come into the program to have the essence of global NLP world. With this, thanks for watching, and I look forward to see you tomorrow. I always say, keep the curiosity alive for tomorrow. See you tomorrow.